Hey y'all, it's Goode. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually coming at y'all with a wig unboxing. It's been a while, but we're doing another wig unboxing. I decided to buy some wigs from Sam's Beauty because I like my haircut that I had about 2 weeks ago, but my hair is growing out and that in-between stage is kind of annoying. I need to grow out a little bit so that I can get another like hairstyle, but yeah, the in-between is not for me. So I just washed it, laid it down, and we're gonna slap on some wigs. I actually got 2 wigs from Sam's Beauty. 2 wigs. Let me just, this is my box. Let me just go ahead and open this. Let's just get right to it. Okay, so like I said, I got 2 wigs. The first one, oh, what is it? Almost open. Okay. Hold up. Alright, so the first one I got is from Outre. It is their lace front wig, Ashani, I think is her name. I got her in the color 1. So it's like a curly, wavy, like a natural kind of classic wave. Does that make sense? Anyways, this is what I got. And it has Swiss lace and a L parting. So that's number 1. That's not the one I want to try on first though. I want to try this one on first. Wow, why are they just not coming in straight out the box? Cute. Okay, so this is the second wig, the one I want to try on first, and it is the Bobbi Boss wig Lyna. So totally different from the first one. This one is a different color. I got it in wow, this color name is long. TC6/2724. Basically, just like got some highlights in it, but she's a bob, and I don't normally do bobs, so hopefully I like it. But yeah, I'm gonna try that one first. I also got a like an edge brush comb thing from Sam's Beauty because I have been seeing these and I want to lay my edges with this wig. So it has it's like a rat tooth comb with a skinny comb on this side and a brush on this side. So yeah, we'll use that. Oh, I got some wig caps on Fly. These are by Kiss. So also for my edges, I got this Edge Boost by the Style Factor. I have Sunset Shine, I think is what it's called, but it's the pink one, the mini baby one. I have been seeing a lot of videos on this on YouTube, so I want to try it, but I only wanted the small size because they come like dumb thick. So yeah, we're gonna try this one on first. And she looks really cute on the model. Ooh, so let me just show y'all the color before I put it on. She's really cute. Like, I love the color. I hope it shows up on camera. This thing's short. Child. Okay. Let me cut the lace off real quick and then I'll be back. So I cut the lace. Before I put it on, I want to show y'all the construction. So it has 2 wig caps, 2 combs, one right here, you know, the edge of the temple. I think it has one in the back, so one back here, temple, and the parting, I don't know how I feel about the parting yet. It's not doing a whole lot. It's not doing a whole lot for me. But we're gonna see. I have a light wig cap, so hopefully that helps. Oh, she's short. I don't know. Yeah, she's short. Okay, I don't know. It's right underneath my chin. And that's a little different. The color is so pretty. The color real cute. The color cute. She's snug. And I don't have a big head no more because, you know, I don't have no hair underneath this wig. The wig cap Not the wig cap, the little party. The party is decent. It's just right underneath my chin, so that kind of makes it feel away. Like do I like it? Do I? It's real silky and smooth, so I'll give it that. I really like the color, but I don't know if I like the style on me. I don't like it. I look pretty and the color is pretty, but the cut itself on me, I look like that one meme, and if I can find it and put it in a video, I'm gonna do it. But you know how he goes like this, and his bob is like. That's what I look like. That's what this is giving me. I really thought it would be pretty because it looks so good on the model, and it's not hard, but it ages me weirdly. I look like somebody's auntie, and it just stopped right here, so it just don't give me the neck that I want. I don't know if I'll ever wear this. What I'm probably gonna do after I try on my second wig is put some baby hairs in it. Maybe I should do it right now. I want to just put the other one on. Okay, let me real quick do some quick baby hairs. It's just way too short on me. Like, I'm just gonna do this, and then y'all should like get the reference. His was moving. I got the bus on and shit. Anyways, on to the next wig. So the wig I hope I like. I should have got it in a lighter color because it's, you know, summer, but I always love a one no matter what the style is. So she's longer, she is fuller, she's curly. What's this, you know? Okay, she's not dumb long. She's probably like 18, 20 inches. But the curls are cute already. Soft. Outre always kind of straight for me as far as wigs go. So I feel like I'll be pleased. I don't think I've had a Bobbi Boss wig yet that I've like actually enjoyed, but I feel like I always do Bobbi Boss wigs when they're not really wigs I would typically go for. Because this is just not, I don't know. Will I wear this? IDK. Okay. So this is what the wig looks like straight out the bag, and 2 combs in front by the temples, 1 in the back at the nape of the back, and you know, of course, adjustable straps. So let me cut off the lace, and then, you know, we'll be back. All right. This better be cute. Oh, she loose. Oh, okay. Ooh. Oh, I also have a black shirt. That's not helping. Oh, but these curls is cute though, bitch. Oh, she loose, bitch. I ain't never put a wig be loose like this on my head, child. Okay, So this part is doing an awful lot. I'm not used to having wigs on this side. I know I don't part none of my hair on this side. I swear the part was over here, but guess not. So yeah, it has a right part because it's on the right side, and it goes over this way, which I am not used to. But she's cute. Let me get the combs in, because baby, I need some security now. I ain't got no hair, so this is loose. Okay. Yeah, Outre was always big hair friendly. So, yeah, she's cute. I do wish I was gonna get red, and you know, now I'm regretting not getting it in red. But I like the curls. I feel like within 3 days it's gonna be not as cute and curly, because they are very soft curls. It's not long, so it goes stretched out. It's to my waist, but not stretched. It's like right under my boob. It's pretty full. This is all the hair to the front. So she's really cute. I gotta get used to this parting. Okay, I'm gonna move some hair because I got lip gloss on. But she is pretty. Okay, the lace is cute. The lace is cute. I feel like if I just put a little bit of powder, it'll be all to the good because it's not super defined. I'm gonna take my MAC medium dark mineralized skin finish, and I'm gonna take like a skinny brush. I hope that didn't crack. I kind of want to cut this so that it frames my face a little more, because it's like in my face. Wow, the curls are pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it a little bit. Because it's layered, but it's big in my face. Like, I'm so not used to seeing myself with all this hair. I ain't wore a wig since I cut it. Since I cut all my hair off. So this is new. It's a new sensation, you know, the flipping of the hair. I'm not trying to cut too much while I'm sitting here just admiring myself. I do really like the hair. I mean, it's very soft. I originally thought I would cut it when I got it, but I'm enjoying it being quite long. Wow, I just haven't seen myself with a lot of hair like this in a minute. I still need to cut some more because this bang is just not doing it. I kind of want to just twist it. I'm not feeling that part. I'm going to just make it a damn middle part, because that's just what suits my face. So I just shifted it because I didn't like the parting. So I just doop. And it still looks good. I know it's the L part, but it's still pretty like straight for the most part. And yeah, I like middle parts on me much better. I look cute. I am mad about this other wig though. Like, it's not that Lyna isn't cute. So if you like bobs, I would suggest it. I think the color is great. The cut is cute. It's not super high in the back. This wig is just giving me more justice, but it's hot. I live in Houston still, y'all, so it's hot out here. And I just feel like when I walk to the bus tomorrow, I'm gonna be hot as hell, but I'm gonna look cute. I'm just gonna be hot. Maybe I'll go to the beauty spot and get something shorter, maybe with some color. Because what I don't have to do is order another wig, wait for it to get here, pay shipping, even though Sam's Beauty shipping is still just $2.99. But still, I don't feel like it. This is a good slap on and go wig though, because it's curly, it has volume to it. You know, I don't have to do a whole lot. Shake it out, put it on. Definitely gonna keep the middle part. I'll put some baby hairs in it off camera because doing it on camera is really hard. So she's a winner. Ashani, she's a winner. She's cute. Not small hair friendly, long, so probably not the best for the summer, but it's cute because the curls are popping, you know. So it'll look good. And it does come in other colors. So it comes in, you know, 1, 2, 4. Comes in 27, 30. I was gonna get the DR third. No, whatever the color is for like that red, the like 999J, but it's like a lighter, not too light red and not burgundy, but you know, some kind of in the middle. But I like the one because I just feel like I look really good with jet black hair. So for Lynn, she's a winner because the color is cute and the cut is cute on other people. So yeah, I think I did good. I love this choice. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.